Don't be so aggressive, you chicken. You are scaring my cat. Teddy, are you eating? Oh, come over. Eat, yummy. I made breakfast for you. It's okay. 원점 이야, 넌 떨어뜨렸니? Not you. You already had breakfast. I gave you, you're not even eating it. So what are you jealous about? Here? Okay, look. 순둥, go away. Let him eat this. 안녕. 먹어가. Daddy, relax. I mean, 순둥, relax. Here. 먹어. Eat. 드세요. 순둥. Don't do that. Eat. 그래. Eat. Don't worry. 아이고, you 귀여워. Yummy. Teddy, what? Teddy, it's for your friends' canned food. Oh, aren't you so sweet? 먹고 싶어요? Let me open another can for you. Where is it? I think it's over there. I have a bunch of jealous cats. Ducky ate all this food. Now, 순둥. 일로 나가. Teddy. 와. 나가 일로 와. 맘마 먹어, 맘마. 이거 먹어야지. 일로 와. Hi, Teddy. 일로 와. 응. 아유, it's not for you, it's for him. Teddy. Yeah, you're supposed to share. When I give you, you don't eat, and then now suddenly you eat this. That's fine.